Lemon balm, aka Melissa officinalis, sounds like the kind of herb you'd find in a calming tea at a luxury spa, right? Native to the Mediterranean, this herb has been around for centuries, cherished by the ancient Greeks and Romans for its soothing properties. In fact, the herbalist Paracelsus even called it the elixir of life. Fast forward to today, and lemon balm is having its moment in the wellness spotlight. People are turning to it for everything from stress relief to better sleep and digestion. But here's the catch. Lately, it's been all over the place in the weight loss world. Some claim it might help with cravings, reduce stress-related eating, and even support metabolism. Sounds pretty promising, right? But is it actually effective for weight loss? In this ultimate guide, we're diving into all the hype around lemon balm and weight loss. We'll explore how people are using it, the claims being made, and what the research actually says. But first, as always, please take note of our disclaimer. Lemon balm can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. A simple and popular method is through tea. Add a slice of lemon or a spoonful of honey to give it an extra bit of flavour. For those who prefer not to drink it, lemon balm essential oil offers another option. You can also apply the oil to your skin or even dilute it for a more subtle effect. Lemon balm also makes its way into skincare products like creams, balms and lotions. It's often found in skincare routines as part of various soothing products. If you enjoy DIY beauty treatments, consider making your own face mask by mixing dried lemon balm with honey and yogurt for a refreshing homemade option. For a more straightforward approach, lemon balm supplements in capsule or tablet form are a popular choice. Taking them after meals can help ensure you don't forget to take them and even support your digestive routine. Lemon balm can even be added to your meals. It's a great addition to salads or desserts when finely chopped. For a unique take on a classic drink, try adding lemon balm to your lemonade for a refreshing burst of flavour. From tea to skincare, and even in the kitchen, lemon balm offers a variety of ways to enhance your day, and some believe it could be a useful tool for weight management. It's often associated with stress reduction, with claims that it can help lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that drives us to reach for comfort food. By promoting a sense of calm, lemon balm may help reduce those stress-induced cravings. Additionally, there are suggestions that it could aid in appetite regulation, possibly by promoting feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to healthier portion sizes. Another claim is that lemon balm may improve sleep quality, which could have a positive effect on weight management. While it might not be a direct weight loss aid, better sleep is believed to support a healthy metabolism, helping the body repair and burn calories more effectively. For digestive health, lemon balm is thought to help reduce bloating and alleviate discomfort, making it easier to feel comfortable after meals, which could also support healthier eating habits. Lemon balm is sometimes credited with encouraging mindful eating, particularly by promoting relaxation and helping you slow down to focus on your food. This could be beneficial for those who tend to eat under stress. The herb is also believed to have a role in supporting metabolism, potentially making the body's systems work more efficiently, though the effects are likely subtle. Further, there are claims that lemon balm may help manage emotional eating. By reducing anxiety and stress, it's thought to help you stay calmer and less likely to eat in response to emotions. While it's not a solution for everything, it could offer some mental clarity, helping you pause and ask whether you're truly hungry or simply responding to stress. However, despite these numerous claims surrounding lemon balm's potential benefits for weight management, what does the actual research say? But just on a quick side note, if you would like to undertake our evidence-based and results-backed personalised Plato weight management program, please click the link in the top right-hand corner of your video or follow the link in the description. When it comes to overall health, which should be the main motivator for pursuing weight loss rather than just appearance improvement, a meta-analysis of 5 randomized controlled trials involving 302 patients found that lemon balm could be a safe and effective herbal remedy for reducing total cholesterol, triglycerides and bad cholesterol levels. In addition, research on human subjects suggests that lemon balm may help with anxiety, stress, sleep, cognitive function and digestion. However, when it comes to lemon balm's potential for weight loss, the evidence is still lacking. While there are some indications that it could support weight management, much of the research so far has been conducted on rats and mice. These animals are commonly used in scientific studies because they share a significant portion of their genetic makeup with humans, about 85% for mice and 90% for rats, making them useful models for studying human diseases and intervention responses. Additionally, their short lifespans, rapid reproduction rates, and low cost make them practical for large-scale experiments. Rats in particular are often preferred for studies involving more complex biological systems due to their larger size and higher cognitive function compared to mice. However, despite these advantages, results from animal studies cannot always be directly applied to humans. Biological differences in physiology, metabolism, immune systems, and lifespan mean that treatments or findings that work in animals may not have the same effects on humans. These differences also limit the ability to study long-term effects of treatments in animals, further complicating their direct relevance to human health. In conclusion, while there is promising evidence from human studies showing lemon balm's potential benefits for sleep, stress, digestion, and even cholesterol and triglyceride levels, we should be cautious about relying on it for weight loss. The research available so far does not provide enough solid evidence to support its direct effectiveness in this area. While animal studies offer valuable insights, the physiological differences between humans and animals make it difficult to translate these results into reliable weight management strategies. Therefore, more research involving human trials is needed before we can draw meaningful conclusions about lemon balm's role in weight loss. That being said, there's no harm in including it in your diet, as it may offer potential benefits for relaxation and other areas of well-being. Have you tried lemon balm for weight loss or any of the often associated benefits? What was your experience? We'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below. Additionally, if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So that has been our video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.